world around us is humming with humanity, and you are all the storytellers of those people.
B2B marketers are amongst the cleverest, most inspiring marketers in the world. Are we biased? Sure, maybe. But we think your ambition and your energy is a story worth telling.
It does feel like there's been a seismic shift. A few years ago, the idea of a B2B Super Bowl ad felt pretty radical. Now the B2B Super Bowl is something that we look forward to.
We might be in the early days of our own renaissance in B2B.
As marketeers, how can we affect meaningful change? The answer lies in leveraging our insights to uncovering what audiences want and values, so we can craft compelling narratives.
If it wasn't clear already, helping B2B brands grow is our top priority. Our goal is to make LinkedIn the place to B2B.
Here on the B2Believe stage, I'm thrilled to announce our exciting new product offering, LinkedIn Connected TV.
I am excited to introduce live events ads. It's safe to say the future of B2B has never looked brighter.
It's not business to business. It's human to human.